Do you want to know how you can log into your vidh.ai account? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your vidh.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for vidh.ai login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of vidh.ai. You can see there are two separate login portals, one for students and one for parents. To log into your student portal, write down your username or email in this box, your password in this one, and then click login. Make sure that your email address or username and password matches your account, and then click login. This way you can successfully log into your student's account in vidh.ai. Now, to log into your parents' account, go ahead and click on parents, write down your email address, and then you can see that an OTP will come to your email. Write down the OTP here and then click login. This way you can log into your parents' account easily. Now, if you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, go ahead and click on this link. If you don't have an account and want to create one, go ahead and click sign up. Into the parents login, if you want to make payment, you can see there's an option over here. Go ahead and click make payment. It will lead you to this page where you can see that you can pay using this form over here. So scan the code, fill in your personal details, and then you can make payment from parents login portal as well. I hope this video about how you can log into your vidh.ai account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.